Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen, and today we're going to be making Pumpkin Spice Chai Tea Latte. We're going to use two very flavor-filled products. First one being our crumity pumpkin pie syrup and our pumpkin spice cookie spread. The first thing we're going to do is take 12 ounces of milk, and I'm using a wider pot than I need. That'll just bring it up a lot quicker to a nice hot temperature. So while we're waiting for our milk to come up to temperature, we're gonna take our mug, which is so cute, and we're gonna place 2 pumps of the Amoretti pumpkin pie syrup. You get so much flavor into whatever you're putting it into, whether it's tea, coffee, whipped cream, drizzled over a coffee cake. You're just gonna love how much flavor you get out of it. Next, we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of the pumpkin spice cookie spread. We have a variety of cookie spreads, and some of them have a crunchy as well as a creamy option. So many possibilities. It's delicious. I really like to put it in my drinks. It gives my drinks a lot of extra body, gives it a really nice texture. And last, we're gonna add half a teaspoon of chai powder, which you can find at the grocery store or in specialty markets, as well as online. What I like about adding my ingredients to the cup versus to the milk on the stove is that if this was in the stove, it would have a propensity to burn. You'd have to babysit it with a whisk. And what I like about this way is you just let the milk do its thing while you're getting your mug ready. And we're really gonna emulsify it well. We're gonna add a little bit of the milk, use a frother, make sure everything gets really well combined, get that froth starting, and then finish it off with the rest of your milk. Bonus, you won't scald the roof of your mouth because this will help the temperature come down just a little bit. So now that our milk is done, we're gonna pour a couple ounces into the mug, and we're gonna emulsify all of these delicious ingredients. And if you don't have a frother, just add a little bit less milk, grab a small spoon, and stir it up to a nice loose paste. Add a touch of your chai tea powder, and you're done. Cheers to pumpkin spice season. Show us how you Amoretti by tagging us on social media every time you use our products. Stay up to date on all of our recipes by subscribing to our channel and clicking on the notification bell below. Subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time.